how to change your password on Edge wallet. So basically, if you wish to change your password on Edge wallet, it is actually quite very simple for you to do so. All you have to do is just launch the Edge application, and this is the type of interface you will see. So go ahead and then log into your account. If you want to change the password, tap on the three lines icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here you want to simply go to the option that says settings. Once you go to settings, here you can see it says tap to unlock account settings. So first what you want to do is tap on this unlock account button and simply enter your password to unlock the settings. Once you've confirmed your password, tap on submit. Now what we can do is now we will enable this option called change password. So you can tap on this change password button. Now right here you can simply choose the new password that you want to change to and confirm the new password you want to change again. Then tap the done button in order to change it. That's all it takes for you to change your password on Edge wallet. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.